Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.